The Denver Museum of Nature and Science, or old folks like me, Denver Museum of Natural History, and about to take a look inside. Directions. What's something called Space Odyssey? This one's for you, Amy. And they've just done a major cleanup in here, which kind of thwarted my last attempt at doing anything in here because we got membership. The one day I chose to come down, they're doing a cleaning. Say hello. Okay. And this was quite a thing when they opened it a bunch of years ago. Because this is where you go to look at the dinosaurs and the wildlife dioramas, but I think that's the moon, isn't it?
It's Mars.
That's Mars, okay. All right. See how long since I've been down here. The big boomy nebula. And Crab Nebula, yeah, old favorite. But also another thing that's always been a big deal has been the Big Gates Planetarium, which they also did a major revamp on. I've yet to be in it, but the new ones. Here, we're hopefully getting youngins entered into space.
Where were you playing?
I was playing with a space station.
Okay, this is new.
Come on, girls.
I'm not sure what's going on here.
So you see the animals.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
I believe that's a satellite view of the museum.
Could be.
Yeah.
Satellite view of something. I don't know. And there's a very large representation of our planet. And there's information things around it. And here we're going to see about taking Buzz Aldrin's advice and getting our ass to Mars. Because there's Mars. Because a little something to do out here periodically is, especially when they got school kids in a field trip, is you'll have some guy come out of that door over there inside this little diorama in a spacesuit and basically, welcome to Mars, kids. This is what we're doing up here, and they show some experiments and the various devices.
So let's say you do this.
Let's see, get the focus here. Up. And Stephanie's discovered something. What do we got?
That's a solar system building game.
Ah.
No, I don't want you to get all wet.
Create your own planetary system for fun and profit. Just picking different planets, putting them where.
Yeah, pretty much.
They haven't done any gas giants yet, have they? Up, asteroid belt. And we got a collision! Or at least an overlap.
How the sand and the sediment goes?
I think one planet just ate another. And you're gonna wonder why sometimes planets are a bit of a rarity. This is why, because they don't always line up right. And sometimes very bad things happen. That's why we have a moon, for instance. But let's go and get down here. See what's what. We got Canyon Diablo Meteor. Found it near Winslow, Arizona. Don't know if the Eagles were involved, but you never know. Don Hadley's a very strange guy. And different meteors. And demonstration on how to create a crater. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Can we do anything here? Is this... Okay. I don't think it's working quite yet. I just haven't gotten around to getting it out of there yet. Little samples. Yeah, little mineral samples under the microscope. Mars rovers. Okay. Yeah.
Dad, that shows gravity, so I could put a hammer or something like that. It weighed as much as that. Is that Yeah, and it weighed as much as that.
Yeah.
You feel that weight of it.
Mm.
And if you flew to the moon,
That's a little more than...
it would weigh that much. And then if you flew to Jupiter or any of
Nope,
the
nothing.
others.
Venus should be about the same. You know,
No,
just
no
like-
love for the dwarf planet, eh?
Well, the dwarf planet has 5 buddies out here, too.
Ah.
They're the same kinds of things.
Jupiter is...
Go
Whoa.
around the sun this way.
Got some weight on it.
The dwarf planets are way out here around the sun.
Yeah.
But they're planets nonetheless.
Yeah.
And that's Pluto right there.
Yeah. Yeah, part of the argument against Pluto being is there are some, quote unquote asteroids that are larger than Pluto.
Yeah, if you cut
It's like, how come we don't get it?
Yeah. If you cut Pluto...
What do you got against Ceres, you bastards?
Yeah, there's Sirius over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a.
Yeah, I think the fact that it has to clear its own path too. It doesn't just has to orbit; it has to clear.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, there was a video that Neil deGrasse Tyson did on Pluto after that.
yeah.
After it was declared a dwarf planet, and
He had to kind of take blame for he was on the demotion side.
yeah, he went to Clyde Tombog's hometown
Yeah.
and went to the local barber shop to get a haircut.
And catching grief from them.
Yeah.
Oh, you're the one that demoted Pluto. Oh.
So, and that's, of course, the largest volcano.
Yeah. Now, for those not quite sure, this is roughly the size of New Mexico.
Yeah, Colorado.
Yeah.
New Mexico. Or Wyoming, generally.
Yeah.
So we'd be one big
yeah.
black mountain.
Imagine one mountain taking up one western state. And scale for the Hawaiian Islands.
Have a good time.
Yeah.
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 It is.
A little corollary about the Mariner Valley translation. In strict definition, Valles Marineris means a marinated valley. Because thing is, the word for close thing at the mariner was some other word in Latin, and the thing is to leave the poor mariner 5 probe out in the cold. So it's bad Latin, but at least the probe is recognized.
And you go play with the Mars test?
Let's get up here and see what's what. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay, it's being upgraded. It's not different. That's why it's still there. They're rebuilding it.
Oh, you're not allowed to go in there.
Oh,
Shana, you're not allowed to go
I
in
know.
there.
I think it might have a hole in some of the seams. So I'm going to put a little bit of air in it. Well, I'm not going to
There's
put
what I was
air, I'm going to
talking
put
about
carbon
earlier.
dioxide. Because carbon dioxide is the atmosphere here, mostly carbon dioxide.
That is most
But I'm
okay.
also going to put a radioactive tracer gas called argon-41. And then I'm going to see if I can detect that radon gas. And then I'll be able to actually seal the area that's leaking. Okay, so activate EP line. So I'm going to put a little bit of air in here.
Does anybody have any questions about what she's doing? Ooh, we got more questions. What's your question?
Well, there has been some evidence of flowing water now found on Mars, and but it's kind of like a briny water. It's very salty. What we are finding on Mars is that it has icy poles. Let me see, 1 second. So there are actually poles in the north and the south of Mars, and they are formed from ice like we find on Earth, and they're covered with a layer of
Upload. We're just gonna edit it later when I'm home. But here we go. Various doodads. Yes, our intrepid Mars astronaut is still out there. Unfortunately, the crowd has gone home. So we're just wrapping things up. It's a gallery out there. But here, there's telescopes types and explaining what they are. And I guess you look at the big Earth over there. But coming on along here. Ever wonder the difference between a refracting and a reflecting telescope? Here you go. I guess we're a little bit of a solar observatory thing over here. Is it supposed to be live or what is it?
Oh, it's supposed to be, various,
All right.
various ways of seeing the sun.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Like X-ray, ultraviolet, visible,
okay.
infrared, and microwave.
All right. Okay, let's move on along here.
Okay, let's go to Astro. Come on, John, let's go to Astro.
Venerable Explorer 1. One that finally worked. Now this is an interesting little thing here, especially when it's all working. Some of it's not, but generally, a little exercise in how to maneuver in 0G and dock with a station. It ain't easy. Especially when the things are worn out like this one. This needs a refurbishment big time. But let's see. If we can get a little demo here. We're going to move this shuttle right here. Alright, and fire that. Yeah, normally something would light up down here indicating. Oh, there we go. Not here. That's working. And we're spinning and we're going to crash. Okay. Like I said, large exercise in futility keeps the kids entertained. Now, this here, a while ago, this was Mars. Now it's showing Earth. We've got a series of projectors all around it, and they'll just coordinates showing up there. Show what's going on at any given time, any given planet. Mainly about weather patterns, I think. All kinds of interactive displays. They put a lot of money into this, and they just, like I said, they just got through cleaning this one. Apparently it was kind of trashed. Alright. I think we're talking a civilian rocket here. Yes, when NASA's not enough and you want to do it yourself, that's the sort of thing you go with. And this leads into the planetarium. The slideshow. So let's get over here with this stuff here. We'll think, why to explore space? Because it's there. All right. That was something kind of near and dear to my heart. Why not? Spinoffs.
This way, sir.
The thing of what has the space program ever given us? Well, there's that. Yeah. I think that's going to be the answer to a lot of these. Nope, maybe not. Okay, snowboards? No. Okay, parachute. Tires, okay, how the hell did that work? That is not what I would have thought of. Huh. And you're going to get the idea of that, so yeah. Okay. They got the Atlas and Delta rockets. What are they on Hubble? And a little NASA newsfeed thing, the latest stuff. Just same thing on Gene Cernan. I'm looking over it all. Things who gave up their suit for this operation. No one in particular. Here's open. I would have gone nuts in the air if they had this when I was first going to this museum when I was like 5. Because that was the height of Apollo. They would have had to pull me out of that jumpsuit. Up in here, other things here. Okay.
Now can we go?
I think we can go now, yes. All right. Your feed's recording now.
Oh, whatever.
All right.
We can always edit
So,
it.
yeah, again, like this saved a lot of money in it. I think this. Oh, control service from Superman's ship. No, wait. Okay. Hey. Know your planets. And again, down here. Oh, that's where they put it. I'll get it close. Just get it closer with this. This little jabber used to be at the opening when we first come in the museum. Now they moved it in here. Got a little video of what it does. And more pretty pictures of nebulae. Beyond this point, you need a ticket, so that's what's showing currently. I haven't been to a good planetarium show since before they did all this, so we're gonna wrap it up right there and do a wrap. That was Space Odyssey at the Natural Museum. Hopefully we'll do another one of these over at the Wings Over the Rockies out at the old Lowry Air Force Base. They got a lot of old space stuff out there and a lot of good goofy planes. And catch you next time.